अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 9 फरवरी को पार्क प्राइम होटल में रखा गया। इस मीटिंग में मौजूद रहे फाउंडर सतीश लखोटिया, प्रेसिडेंट ब्रिजमोहन मुंद्रा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट राजीव सेकड़ी, ट्रेजरर आदित्य कसेरा के साथ एबीसी मेंबर्स एंड विजिटर्स। आगे देखते हैं हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you for joining this unique business meeting. Thank you for participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we begin, just a few special announcements today. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Be ready with your fortnightly presentation script. Remember that you will be presenting, combining the standard fortnightly presentation with the reference and testimonial into 130-second members presentation.
I am Rajiv Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee till March 2024. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators. Chapter Mentor Satish Lakhotia ji. Business Driver Mayur Shah ji. Joint Treasurer Kimi Sarda. Chapter Growth Coordinator Gyanvi Daga, Gaurav Mittal and Atish Makharia. Attendance Coordinator Aditya Kasera. Good evening. Food and Beverage Coordinator Ms. Sangeeta Kheriwala and Ms. P.T. Mantri.
Everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm now going to give a brief details about the rules and regulations each member has to follow in ABC 23-24. Members should give reasons for being absent. One can't have more than 3 absences in 3 months, and no continuous 2 absent. In case of more than 3 absent in a quarter, his or her category will be made open, and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. In case of absence due to some emergency, members should send substitute. Members must bring at least 2 visitors in each quarter for the growth of the chapter. Dress code should be strictly followed and should be formal. To that table?
Yes.
We will take a break of 5 minutes. Right now, each and everybody should fill the form, and after that we collect the form, then only meeting will be called to conduct. The only reason is that since starting, we have been asking, sending Google Forms, doing everything so that you could take up 2 minutes of it and just fill up the form. But unfortunately, lot of people are not having that 2 minutes also.
My role is to manage finances of the chapter. I am hereby announcing different awards and recognition scheme for the quarter ending March 2024. For every 1-to-1, 5 points. For every 1 referral, 5 points. For every 1 business close, 10 points. For every 1 corporate meeting, 50 points. For every 1 new member induction, 50 points. For every 1 1-to-1 conclave, 100 points. For every 1 KYM, 100 points. After every quarter, the leadership team will select 3 members with highest points as winners and will be awarded merit certificates along with cash rewards and gifts. Merit certificate will also be awarded to members responsible for bringing new members. Further, we will announce the members as on the induction of new members. For 6 inductions silver, for 10 inductions gold, for 15 inductions diamond member.
Good evening, members.
Good evening.
First of all, my best wishes, congratulations to each and every member for the wonderful working you have done in last one fortnight. I have just seen the report, many one-to-ones, many business closed, and many have finalized deals. So I am very happy. At least you have started reporting. Some of the members have started reporting to our head team. Friends, I find that one-to-one is one of the most important thing in our ABC for the business development. But the members are not doing much one-to-one. Maybe that they have not understood the value or the importance of one-to-one. One-to-one is not just for making friendship. One-to-one in our ABC is most important because once you make an appointment with other member and you meet at the workplace or shop or chamber or any place where he is available for the business, you come to know so many things about the member. You can make assessment about his credibility. You can make assessment about his product. You can see all the product personally also, all the services rendered by the member. Then many members, they have credentials, they cannot bring to the meeting, they cannot openly discuss with the credentials, but when you go to a member and visit and then you see he can show you many credentials that can, so that you can also have more confidence in the member. The most important thing is one-to-one is personally also you come to know about the member, about his family, about his working, about his habits, about his hobbies, and ultimately with the business you also make some friendship so that it is pleasure also. And the business and friendship become common and you can really get opportunity to increase business. One thing you should, very important, you should remember, when you do one-to-one, don't go just casually. You carry a bio sheet. That is a must. That should carry your name, your company's name, your activities, your business activities, and the main activity, business activity, which you are registered under the ABC. Supposing you are registered under the ABC as a real estate, you should mention in the bio sheet only ABC about the real estate. But when you meet him or her, you can discuss about your allied business also. There is no restriction. You can discuss about your allied business, you can discuss about your relatives business also. So many things you can discuss. And ultimately, you will find once you come to know each other very well, the business will be finalized, deals will be closed, you will get a good business. Bio sheet should also contain what you want to offer, what you expect, both the things. That is also very important. So more one-to-ones, fix appointment with the members, and at least make a habit that every week at least 2 one-to-one I will do, so that at least in a year you can complete once one-to-one with each and every member. Thank you.
Friends, Arya Jewels invites you all in the sweetest like a chocolate journey in the world of jewelry. We believe that jewelry should not only be an accessory but a reflection of one's personality. Just as a master chocolatier craft each piece with perfection and passion, our artisan diligently designed every necklace, earrings, bracelets to evoke the irresistible attraction towards the beauty. So enjoy every occasion with us just like a fine piece of chocolate. One-to-one with Devendra Bajoria. Thank you, Chief, to Devendra Bajoria ji and Rich Bhaiya. Thank you.
Rithufalam. You heard it correctly. We are one-stop destination for exotic, premium, and dry fruits and imported fruits, hampers, and etc. I had one-to-one with Mr. Mundra ji, Urvi Raja ji, Rakesh Jaiswal ji, Mayur Shah ji, and both them 5,000 each. Thank you.
शुभ श्रद्धा एबीसी फ्रेंड्स एंड विजिटर्स नाम श्यामल कौर पारी काम complete HR solution for Manav Shahojagi. Less 35 years journey, more than 50,000 employees, more than 500 clients. I'm dealing with pan-India level.
My name is Vishnu Agarwal. I have a retail showroom for fabrics and garments. We also do have a tailoring section of our own. Pass to Mr. Kush and Mr. Niyas.
Good evening, friends. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, myself Santosh Sawti representing my company Shares Recovery. आज के दिन आप लोग को काफ़ी लोग शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं या जो नहीं कर रहे हैं, मार्केट की ऑनलाइन हुई है, तो भी गवर्नमेंट का रूल है फिजिकल शेयर्स को आपको सारे डिमेट में रखने के हैं। तो डिमेट में जब आप कराने जाते हो काफ़ी समस्या आती है, पुराने समय के शेयर्स लेकर रहते हैं, चेंज ऑफ सिग्नेचर हो गया, एड्रेस चेंज हो गया, लड़कियों का सरनेम चेंज हो जाता है शादी के बाद में। तो ऐसे बहुत सारे मैंने कम से कम 2 लाख करोड़ के फिजिकल फॉर्म में शेयर्स पड़ेगा आज के दिन में। इसको लेके लोगों को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स है। गवर्नमेंट के IPF फंड में चले जाते हैं, 7 आप क्लियर नहीं करता, उन सब चीज़ों को अपने रिकवर करवाते हैं। एंड 1-to-1 मैंने आशीष साडा जी से किया, वन आउटसाइड रेफरल टू आशीष साडा जी, एंड थैंक यू स्लिप ऑफ 10,000 टू आलोक पोदार जी। थैंक यू।
Myself Manoj Chandra from Light Fund, dealing in all type of anti-lags. We are dealer of many leading brands. Our store is located near Pudhankot. Please do visit our store.
I am Manish Dhanuka, having business of dairy products, telecom, and authorized service center of Realme, Nokia, JBL, and Google. I have done 3 1-to-1 with Brij Mohanji, Mayur Shahji, and Pramod Kedia.
I am in flex printing and advertising business. I have only one one-to-one with Mr.
Ankush Agarwal from Shiny Petals in the category of corporate gifting. We are end-to-end solution for corporates from pen diary to paperbacks. All are customized as per corporate needs in bulk order. Vishnu Agarwal and thank you slip amounting rupees 3,600 to Vishnu Agarwal. Thank you.
चॉकलेट डे, देखो आपकी वैलेंटाइन रूठ ना जाए। अगर आपको अपनी वैलेंटाइन के लिए उसकी पसंद की ड्रेस और आपकी बजट में भी होनी चाहिए तो प्लीज़ आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कीजिए। मैं आपकी ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर किशोरी काबरा बाय KK फैशन।
This evening, ABC, this is Rishi Agarwal representing my firm Jai Bholenath Textile. We are into customized manufacturing of t-shirts. Do connect me for any t-shirts requirements for any corporate events.
हैप्पी चॉकलेट डे ABC फैमिली। रिश्तों में मिठास लाने के लिए एक दूसरे को आप मीठा खिलाते हैं, तो आप चॉकलेट खिलाकर कैसे सुंदरता की तारीफ कर सकते हैं, तो सुनिए। 5 स्टार की तरह दिखते हो, मंच की तरह शर्माते हो, कैडबरी की तरह जब तुम मुस्कुराते हो तो किट कैट की कसम तुम बहुत खूबसूरत नजर आते हो। वैलेंटाइन डे आ रहा है, तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करने के बाद लोगों की तारीफ, तेरी बिखरी जुल्फों के बीच जब तुम्हारा चेहरा दिखता है ऐसा लगता है मानो घने बादलों के पीछे जो चांद नजर आ गया। इतना प्यारा चेहरा देखकर चांद भी शर्मा गया और मेरे पास आया और चुपके से फरमाया और पूछा कि तुम्हारी खूबसूरती और घने बालों का रहस्य क्या है। मैंने कहा 1-1 हर्ब्स जो नेचुरल तरीके से बनाया गया है। ABC, हमारे इंडिया में सबको शादियाँ बहुत पसंद है। I'm here talking about marriage of companies by way of mergers and amalgamation. If you have 2 or more companies with no specific work, you can save your compliances and maintenance costs by merger. I, Meenu Tulsian, practicing company secretary. You can consult me about merger or any company-related issues.
I represent my firm Excel Devcon Private Limited, where we have all types and varieties of tile, marble, granite, and sanitary ware. Our showroom is located in EM Bypass, where you can come and experience the live display of all our product type and range.
I am a substitute for Ronak. I come from Influcon Digitals. We are into web development and digital marketing. So if you have any needs of digitizing your sales funnel or making e-commerce or any website, then you can please contact us. Thank you.
I love beautiful places. Hi, I am Richa Musati. I am an interior designer. From execution to turnkey, everything under one roof. 1,000 and this is given to Ashmita. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Neeta Das and I am working with Tata AIA Life Insurance. Please contact me for retirement solutions, term plan and savings plan that will benefit your net worth and give your family a handsome amount of summer absence. Amalda, Chetanji and Rajivji. Thank you.
Good evening ABC. Myself Rahul Jalpade from Rahul Export, manufacturer and exporter of various kinds of scarves, fabrics and fabrics, selling it successfully to European countries from last to UK. 1-to-1 done with Urviji, Neetaji. Slip done of Sudhaji, 2,500 rupees.
My name is Shomita Talukdar and I am the owner of JSR Eventers. We specialize in conducting all sorts of events including weddings, birthdays, school functions and corporate
events, to name a few.
Good evening, friends. I'm Sudha Agarwal, fashion designer of clothes for the Almighty God. From the last 15 years, I have been working on this designing of clothes for the idols like ISKCON Temple, Mayapur, Mira Mandir, etc. I try and design clothes that are comfortable and fit to the God. We make summer, winter, day, night, wedding clothes according to the client's preference. I humbly request all of you to follow my Facebook page, Sharp Designer, and have a look at various types of clothes made by me. Given business to Rahul ji 2500 and Penku ji 1900 and Sneha 1000. Thank you.
Family member. Myself Vinit Bhatt from Vinit Sattan Catering. Activity done. Reference passed 8. Shailesh ji 1, Devendra ji 1, Sonam ji 1, Sonamani ji 1, Rakesh ji 1, Anil ji 1, Vinit ji 1, Neeraj ji 1. Reference receipt 2, both business closed. Amount of rupees 1 is 2,45,000, second one is 1,15,000. 1-to-1 done with Sonam ji and reference passed to her.
Myself Rahul Hinawat from AramEstate.co, helping people to buy their good homes for past 11 years. Introducing stock of the week. 4 BHK premium flat on sale in prime location of Bhawanipur, 2 covered car park, 2,000 square feet with spacious layout and private terrace. Hosted by C. Satish Lakotia and given one business of 50 lakh of balance transfer to Vishnu Jimu. File long.
Everyone, myself Vijay Agarwal from Dividend Ports and Village. We are in manufacturing of packaged drinking water.
Gambhir representing IDK Solutions. We are one-stop technological solutions provider, basically dealing with all the IT, networking, security surveillance, building barcoding, smart classrooms, smart boardrooms.
Everyone, I am Neha Agarwal under the category of graphics and digital marketing. Our services are social media marketing, Google AdWords, SEO, and graphic designing. We love everything digital, so bring us any product or service, we can market it for you. And one thank you slip of 28,000 to Kushavata. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC. I am Rajapur from Destructive Automation. I am your safety and automation partner.
Good day everyone, myself Rakesh Jaswal. For 2024, I have taken a place to do business only with ABC members. To know more about my business and about me, do 1-to-1. Thank you. This quarter 1-to-1 done with Rajesh ji, Girish ji, Kaushik ji and Rashmi ji. Referral received from Vinit Bhatt.
Company name Tulsi Sarve Limited. 1-to-1 Rakesh Jaswal ji, Jagdeep sir, Rahul ji and Ajay Makaria ji. Total business 5 lakh plus and close 3 lakh plus.
Now, my company name is B Consultancy, specialist in KMC work, like trade license, food license, fire license, and more license. Thank you. Give me Tulsian ji, Ritu Palam ji.
I'm from CYT Financial Services, which is headed by Ms. Poonam Chandra. Our company provides all type insurance and investment. We work all major insurance companies like Max, Tata, HDFC, ICICI, Reliance, Bajaj. We have
everyone, today being the chocolate day, I wish everyone a chocolatey year with my chocolate-based items from my bakery Happy Sense. We are constantly adding new items and I look forward to my ABC family for ordering for their families and their circles for the celebration. Rita Das, Shyamala, Chetanji, Samitaji, Girishji and Rahulji. Business referral received, one business referral given. Thank you note for rupees 5,000 to Girishji and 1,100 to Poonamji.
अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि मेरे पास एक ऐसा चॉकलेट बॉक्स है जो जीवन भर कभी खत्म ना हो, कभी एक्सपायर ना हो और इसे जितना खाओगे वो उतना ही बढ़ता जाएगा, क्या आप उसे लेना पसंद करोगे? सो आज जो बॉक्स मेरे पास है उसमें है प्राणी किलिंग ट्रेनिंग. जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे वो उतनी बढ़ती जाएगी और उसकी मिठास आपके जीवन में और आपके आसपास वालों के जीवन में सिर्फ मिठास ही बढ़ते जाएगी.
Manish Chamadia, working as a stock market professional. We deal in NSC, BSC, commodities, currency, all the way online. जैसे लाखोटिया जी ने कहा कि जिनके पास पुराने शेयर पड़े हैं तो वो आके हमारे पास ठीक करवाइए, तो उसको ठीक कराने के लिए आपको डीमेट अकाउंट चाहिएगा, वो डीमेट अकाउंट मैं खोल के दूंगा. Myself, Manish Chamadia, signing off. Thank you.
This is Jay from Overseas Guardian. We guide students aspiring to pursue their education abroad with an economically friendly and seamless journey. Our team comprises of experienced counselors and experts who keep up to date with the latest foreign policies to help you with immigration process.
Happy chocolate day to everyone. Myself Sonam Srivastava from Ada.
Sonam Srivastava from Era Events Limited. We do all kind of event managements in wedding, birthday, anniversary, corporate events, etc. Vikramji by rupees 50,000 business close. Business given by Brijmohanji rupees 35,000 business close. Business given by Rajiv Shekhri rupees 7,000 and 1-1-1 with Vineet Bedji. Thank you.
Poddar category general insurance carried with this profession since last 35 years. जितनी भी पॉलिसी होती है लाइफ पॉलिसी को छोड़कर जनरल इंश्योरेंस में आती है और मैं आपका वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन हूँ आपकी नीड कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज के लिए. बिजनेस पास टू एसके लाहौर टी ऑफ ₹10,000 साइनिंग ऑफ फॉर पोद्दार. थैंक यू.
Sangeeta Ganeriwala, I deal in bed sheets. Indulge in the embrace of pure luxury with our exquisite bed sheets, inviting you to sink into a world of unparalleled comfort, leaving you refreshed and revitalized with each sunrise. Rashmi, please connect with us, family and friends. Thank you.
बच्चों ने तो आसमानों में उड़ने की प्लानिंग कर ली है, पर क्या आपने उनके फ्यूचर के लिए प्लानिंग की है? क्या आप जानते हैं कि सिर्फ 5,000 रुपये की बचत आपके बच्चों को करोड़पति बना सकती है? तो आइए मेरे पास, अपने बच्चे के फ्यूचर को प्लान करिए. रिसेंटली मेरे क्लाइंट के बच्चे ने MBBS में एडमिशन किया है क्योंकि मैंने उनकी प्रॉपर प्लानिंग की थी. तो साउटी जी, थैंक यू. संतोष जी, बहुत अच्छा रेफरेंस था. वन स्टॉप में क्लोज हो गया. और पूनम चांडा के साथ 1-to-1 किया था. थैंक यू नोट ऑफ 20,000 फॉर देवेंद्र बाजोरिया एंड 20,000 फॉर गौरव मित्तल.
कब तक अपनी वाइफ इंस्टाग्राम पे ट्रैवल रील देख के कहेगी कि कहीं तो ले चलिए? लगाइए कॉल मारुति ट्रैवल्स को. तैयारी करिए अपने खुद की रील बनाने को. थोड़ा इतराने का हक उनका भी बनता है. सहेलियों को जलाने का मन उनका भी करता है. उनका भी मन करता होगा गाने का, चॉकलेट, लाइम जूस, आइसक्रीम, टॉफी. और 4 लोग की ये कौन सी जगह है, प्लानिंग कहाँ से किया?
Gaurav Mittal. I am representing my company IS Steels. We basically deal in steel scrap required by iron foundries. My ask for the day is connect in Global Castings and Vikas High Tech Castings, and business given to Mr. Ashish Radha for 20,000.
Shekhawat representing my company Home Appliances Doctor. We are
ABC.
Good evening.
Sunil Kumar Jain, doing transportation for all over India. We are the team manufacturing and Arunachal Pradesh. Our unit is in Arunachal Pradesh. My office is 18/1 Sarad Ghosh Road. Any person, any member is interested to start the business of tea can contact me in retail or wholesale, whatever it is. Thank you.
ABC. May this chocolate day bring sweetness in your life. Happy chocolate day. जिंदगी की खुशियाँ दुगनी हो जाए, बस आप अपना यार जीवन बीमा करवाएं. जीवन बीमा करवा के गंगा जी नहाए ताकि आपके बाद कोई आंसू ना बहाए बल्कि करे आपकी प्रशंसा. जाते जाते परिवार को खुशियाँ देने की पूरी हो मनसा तो थी जिंदगी होती आपकी खूबसूरत, लेकिन धन की परिवार को हमेशा ही रही जरूरत. तो उस जरूरत का पक्का समाधान कराओ, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बनाओ पहचान. इस वैलेंटाइन जिनसे करते हैं आप प्यार, उन्हें जरूर दे जीवन बीमा का उपहार. सदैव आपके साथ आपका दोस्त LIC आदित्य कसेरा. माय एक्टिविटीज इंक्लूड आई हैव डन 1 क्रॉस चैप्टर 1-to-1. थैंक यू.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Even though we may not feel instant changes in our mood, emotions, and behavior with the change in colors, they do have a significant impact on every individual subconsciously. Chocolate brown is often associated with the earth element, master bedroom southwest, for the warmth, stability, and emotions. Chocolate brown goes nicely with the modern kitchen designs and are ideal for giving you an extra push to cook amazing dishes, which our chapter secretary Sweetie Mantri and chapter member Urvi Raja do amazing dishes and chocolates. Thank you. Thank you slip to Janvi ji, Alok ji, and 1-to-1 with Neeta Das. And 131 cross chapter. Thank you.
I am a CEO of Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. इस बार कुछ नया करते हैं. Few days back, I organized a last moment called get together for a private party of 22 people in a rooftop. And trust me, मुझे उसके बाद में लगा कि अगर ये winter के पहले एक party अपने host नहीं करते हैं, I've already done mine, so please. You guys are requested to ask me for the party next year. Next year, already invited because I've done mine with somebody else. So I would request, before the season goes off, do try a rooftop party along with our live barbecue. You would love to get it. 1-to-1 done is along with Rich Bhaiya and reference pass 3. Thank you, slip worth of 66,000 through the chapter. Thank you.
Everyone, corporate consultant. Limited. We are into loan syndication for like 25 years. More about me in my feature presentation. My activity includes 1-to-1 with Girish Sarangi, Manish Dhanuka, Sudhi Mansi. Referrals given to Rasmi Jain, Kimi Sada and Pramod Kedia. Referral received from Ashish Sada, Rahul Irawat, and referral is given 3 to Punam Chandak. All business closed. And thank you to, I'm happy to announce that business of 50 lakhs has been closed for the reference given by Mr. Rahul Irawat.
Good evening, friends. Myself, Satish Lakotia from Larika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. Thank you.
Myself, Advocate Bodhisattva Haldar, representing AS Lawyers, Solicitors and Advocates. AS Lawyers is a full-service law firm that caters to each and every legal and compliance need of every type of litigation, such as civil, criminal, or consumer forum, or matrimonial litigation, and even in alternative dispute resolution like mediation or arbitration.
Facing issues in your GST compliances? Are you looking forward to an accounting system which can give you effective MIS reporting generation facilities? Good evening, members. I am Sandeep Agarwal, a practicing cost accountant representing my firm SK Agarwal and Company. We are into GST advisory services. We also prepare and maintain accounting systems for multiple located branch network companies.
आप सब क्रिकेट को देखते होंगे, सबको पसंद होगा. मैं एक छोटी सी बात बताता हूँ. So for example, एक इंडिया पाकिस्तान का क्रिकेट का मैच है और फाइनल मैच है मोरू ईडन गार्डन्स में. आप सब जाके देखना पसंद करोगे. दूसरे की ब्रांडिंग को देखना चाह रहे हो, और वो क्यों? क्योंकि वो आपको दिखा रहे हैं. आज अपने लक्ष्य रुपए को इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं. ये लोग यहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं खरबों करोड़ों रुपए खर्चे करके. अपनी सारी जिंदगी के जो खर्चे होते हैं उनमें ये एक साल में ब्रांडिंग में खर्च करते हैं. तो आपको बैनर्स वगैरह हो गए, स्टैटिस वगैरह हो गए, कॉर्पोरेट ब्रांडिंग सब करते हैं. खास पैन इंडिया करते हैं, रिटेलर्स के लिए लोकली करते हैं.
4 years based in Kolkata but providing services in India. And thank you so much Rajiv ji for inviting me.
मैं एसके लोअर का जीएसटी कंसल्टेंट जीएसटी मुनीम से. जीएसटी रिलेटेड किसी भी लेवल की कोई भी समस्या, क्रिटिकल से क्रिटिकल इशू हमारे यहाँ बहुत आसानी से हो जाती है.
Applied plywood and laminates of all leading brands, and my showroom is in Damdam Nagar Bazaar.
I am Rakesh Kamchain, the director of Mohammed Ali Shop Private Limited, which is a showroom of landlines, mobile, SIM-based phones, EPBX and other telecommunication products, and SSAs and also note counting machines. We are located in Chandni Chowk, the hub of electronics.
Not a public speaker. So, कोई गलती है please माफ करें.
Myself, Devon Mundra from Saudi Corporate Consulting Private Limited. We are into loan syndication for like 25 years. Next slide. Managed by professionals, including technical and management research, catering to large corporate, MSME, and retail credit. I am alumnus of IIT, Jadavpur University, and I am JC, and I am in CFP also. And technical management research is over 25 years of experience in financial project, present report, financing, and team development. Leading a team of around 10 people.